Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of metadata and the concept of meta. We'll explore what these terms mean, provide real-world examples, and show you why they're so important across various fields. Let's get started. What is meta? The term meta originates from Greek meaning beyond or about. When we say something is meta, we're talking about something that refers to itself or to the conventions of its genre. For example, meta-humor is humor about the nature of humor itself. Another example is metacognition, which is thinking about one's own thinking processes. What is metadata? Metadata is data about data. It provides information about other data, making it easier to understand, use, and manage. Imagine a library. Each book has metadata like the title, author, publication date, and genre. This information helps you find and organize books. In digital terms, a photo's metadata might include the date it was taken, the camera used, and the location. In libraries and archives, metadata is used to catalog books, making it easy to find and manage their collections. Photographers rely on metadata to organize and search through their vast collections of images, including details like location, date, and camera settings. In the world of music, files contain metadata such as artist, album, genre, and release year, which helps streaming services categorize and recommend music. Websites utilize metadata like titles, descriptions, and keywords to help search engines understand and rank content. In healthcare, metadata can include patient information, medical history, and treatment plans, making it crucial for effective patient care. Metadata is essential because it adds context and meaning to data, making it more useful and easier to manage. In fields like data science, metadata helps in organizing large data sets, ensuring accuracy, and improving data quality. In everyday life, metadata helps us organize and find information quickly, whether it's photos on our phone or songs in our music library. So, metadata might seem like a small detail, but it plays a huge role in our digital lives. Understanding and utilizing metadata can make managing information much easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos on fascinating topics.